Good day, everyone. Today, we dive in the fascinating world of emerging technologies in the maritime industry, focusing autonomous ships. This technology is not just futuristic concept but a rapidly advancing reality that promises to revolutionize maritime operations.
Understanding autonomous ship. Autonomous ship, also known as unmanned surface vessel (USVS), are vessels equipped with advanced sensor navigation system and artificial intelligence to operate without human intervention. This ship can range from fully autonomous, where no crew is on board, to semi-autonomous, where minimal human oversight is required.
Examples. One prominent example is the Yara Bergerland, the world's first fully electric and autonomous container ship developed by Yara International in Kongsberg. This vessel aims to reduce emission and improve safety by eliminating the need for a crew on board. Another example is Rolls-Royce autonomous ship project, which focus on developing remote control and autonomous vessel for commercial use. Impact and potential. Operational efficiency. Autonomous ships have the potential to significantly enhance operational efficiency by reducing the need for crew. This vessel can lower labor costs and minimize human error, which is a leading cause of maritime accidents. According to the study by International Maritime Organization, or also known as IMO, human errors accounts for approximately 75 to 96% of maritime accidents.
Environmental benefits. The environmental impact is another critical area where autonomous ships can make a difference. By optimizing routes and speeds, this vessel can reduce fuel consumption and emission. The Yara Bergland, for instance, is expected to cut 678 tons of CO2 emission annually by replacing truck transport.
Safety and security. Autonomous ships can also enhance safety and maritime operation with advanced sensor and AI. This vessel can better detect and respond to obstacles and threats, reducing the risk of collision and piracy.
Challenge and considerations. Despite their potential, autonomous ships face several challenges. Regulatory frameworks need to be developed to address liability and safety standards. Additionally, cybersecurity is a significant concern, as this vessel rely heavily on digital systems that could be vulnerable to hacking.
Research and credibility. Research by the World Maritime University highlights the transformative potential of autonomous ships, but also emphasizes the need for international collaboration to address regulatory and safety challenges. Furthermore, a report by Lloyd's Register, a technical and professional services organization, and the Maritime Classification Society, which is a leading provider of classification and compliance services to the marine and offshore industries, and Kinetic, a multinational defense technology company, a leading provider of authoritative advisory services to defense, security, industry, and government customers, outlines the technological advancement requirement to achieve fully autonomous operations, including robust AI systems and reliable communication networks.
Conclusion. In conclusion, autonomous ships represent a group-breaking advancement in the maritime industry, which the potential to enhance efficiency, safety, and environmental sustainability. However, Realizing this potential requires addressing regulatory, technological, and cybersecurity challenges as we navigate this new frontier. Collaboration among industry stakeholders, governments, and researchers will be crucial to harness the full benefits of autonomous maritime technology. That's all. Thank you.